Hey YouTube, what's going on? Ignited Flames here, and welcome back to Transformers Earth Wars. In this video, I'm bringing back the series with some more pro tips on how to combine character abilities and win raids much more easier and get a lot more energon and a lot more success. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to combine Tiger Hawk and Swoop. He's so excited that he's in shock. Anyway, let's go to battle in the events right now. And I'm going to show you exactly how you use them. Now, these guys both have similar attacks. They both have similar specials. They each hit, except for, strafe hits one target. I'm calling them strafe because that's what I'm more used to before it got changed to swoop for copyright reasons. But either way, strafe only hits one, while Tiger Hawk hits all of them. But they're both relatively similar. And I'm adding Jazz into the mix because he's kind of similar. But out of this entire entourage that I still have, because I am still trying to get everyone back into my old account, my new account, because I had to restart my old account, and I'm not going to get into that. You probably already heard it from the last video. And now, enough explaining, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I am now at the base. So first I'm going to take out Tiger Hawk and Swoop. I'm going to use Tiger Hawk and Swoop both at the same time immediately. It doesn't really matter what time you use these guys at, but I mean, unless you're already dead with these guys. Now that I have enough of these, I'm going to take out Jazz and use him. Send the Orbital Strike. And then I'm going to blow up. I'm not exactly going to blow up. I'm just going to weaken them a lot, apparently. Depending on how strong Jazz is, your Jazz is, then he should do relatively a lot of damage. And then the base is easy go. And for one little replay, here's Tiger Hawk again. As you can see, both of the two are just two little birdies flying into the air, raining destruction upon whoever they please. And here comes Jazz trying to shoot them out of the air. And then he just blows these two cannons. I would have blown up more if I saw that there's something else, but this is a relatively weak base. But it should work the same way for all the more tougher bases, just so long as you have like the bot strong enough to actually attack those types of bases. But then otherwise, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. But either way, here's the base being destroyed. And that's pretty much victory. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the Orbital Strike mission. Actually, no, it's not the Orbital Strike mission. That's a terrible name. It's the Orbital Blizzard mission. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to be coding these names, like shorting them up. I thought that'd be a good idea. So you can pretty much, like, Operation Orbital Fire Mission, or Operation Orbital Mission, or Operation Blizzard Mission. You guys get the point. So, Operation Orbital Blizzard Mission is go. That's how you do that. And I'm going to be showing more soon, this time on Windblade Warpath and Elita 1. Make sure to ignite that like button, subscribe today, and I'll talk to you next time. Say hot, my flames.